today I'm going to do a review on a product that I received from the company Cosmedix via the company Octoly. So, in case you didn't know, Octoly is like a company where you can order products and they're actually free, and you can actually be gifted with these products, and you have to upload a review. So if you are interested, you could actually apply. I'll probably link it down below in my description box. And this is the product here that I've been using for the last 2 to 3 days. It's very smooth. It has like a little white nozzle. You only need a little bit of the product. So when you put like a drop or two or even more, it is not really a very lathering product, but it does lather. And what it does is it exfoliates your skin, it removes impurities, and it also unclogs your pores. And what else does it do? Oh yes, and it also removes surface oil from your skin. And for me, being a beauty influencer, many times I use makeup a lot, and plus I live inside a country where it is always hot, so there are times when your skin gets oily and congested from the makeup, from the heat, from the elements, everything like that. And this product would be excellent to help you with any of your skin concerns. It's actually purity clean, exfoliating cleanser. And one thing that I could say about this product in particular is that it says exfoliating, but you can literally not feel when you're cleansing your face with it. Like, it does not like have any harsh harsh beads or anything like that, and it's not sharp or anything like that, but it's exfoliating your skin. So it's really nice. When I first used it, it smelled really minty and it's very soothing to the skin. You only need a little bit of the product, even though it doesn't lather a lot. You still can get your skin clean without using a lot of the product. The product is actually 5 fluid ounces. It is cruelty free and it lasts for about 18 months. So if you are interested in purchasing some of your own, their website is www.cosmedix.com. And what do I think about the product? I'll give it a thumbs up. You can actually use this as a mask as well. And you'll be like, but isn't it soap? Isn't it gonna be corrosive on your skin or something like that? No, you don't have to worry about it corroding your skin. And you can actually use it for a cleansing mask, and it actually gives you a deeper cleanse, so it goes all the way down inside your pores and gets rid of all that gunk, all that makeup, all that sebum, all that bad stuff. So guys, thank you so much for watching my review, and like I said, I give it a thumbs up, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and continue to watch all of my videos. So thank you so much, and bye guys.